Organizing your kitchen can be an exciting and overwhelming event. To figure out the best place to put each item will end up saving you a lot of time and effort as you move forward. I did find few ideas and I have started to make my own list. However, in looking for kitchen organization, I mostly found informations on baskets and racks which sometimes we couldn't afford due to their cost. And many times we just end up buying organizers and other kitchen items which are not at all suitable for our kitchen, as every kitchen has different needs. So instead of experimenting, make your life easier by knowing the do's and don'ts of how to organize your kitchen. Few very important points I will show you in today's video. All you need to know for a complete kitchen organization is right here. So watch the video till the end. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am showing you this pan organizer so that you can get an idea how much space this organizer is taking. I am not at all saying that this organizer is not good, but this organizer is very good if you have big drawers or cabinets to organize your pans and tawas in this. But if you have small kitchen, this organizer is not appropriate according to me. Instead of using this pan organizer, if your kitchen is small, you can store all your non-stick pans and tawas one on one, but because these are non-stick pans, they may get scratches. So to avoid that, put paper napkin or any mat in between each pans and you can easily organize your pans and tawas in very less space. Buying any organizer without taking measurements will make you regret afterwards. So always take proper measurement and check the product dimensions before buying. For instance, I bought this undershelf rack for this particular shelf, but sadly it's not at all appropriate for this undershelf organizer and I am not able to use it here. But luckily my other shelf is quite broad and deep and I can use this organizer over there. So for this particular product I am safe as I can at least use this somewhere in my kitchen. But many times we bought wrong products just because we did not take proper measurements. So in future you can check your shelves and cabinet size whenever you want to buy anything for your kitchen. Similarly, you can see these cup holders are perfect for my kitchen cabinet, but it may not be suitable for your kitchen. I can easily close the cabinet door after placing them inside, but some cabinets are not that deep and broad, making it difficult to fit inside. So you need to check your cabinet type before buying any organizer. Many times we buy duplicate or same items for our kitchen. For instance, these bowls, I have 2 to 3 similar sized bowls which actually creating clutter and occupying my space. Instead, you can buy different sizes and shapes of bowls rather than having same types and sizes. Go for different shapes like tall bowls, round bowls or small or big sized bowls which you can use for different purpose. Same goes with any other organizers and racks. Instead of buying duplicates, why not to go for different ones and you will have variety also. We all keep our open snacks packets like this and many times we mix them with packed ones and forget about using them first. So whenever you have this type of open packets, keep them in front of your eyes and do not mix them with the other packed ones. I always use some wooden clips to hang outside the basket so that even if I forgot these open ones to use first, whenever I see them automatically I use them first. If you find this difficult or if you don't have space, it's better to store in empty bottles and keep them fresh and safe to eat. I saw in many homes, mostly everyone store their glasses upside down. Even I do the same thing. But while keeping glasses upside down, it will damage the rim of the glasses. But you can continue keeping your glasses the same way by using mats or trays which will keep them safe without damaging the rim. Just spread a mat on your cabinet or use this type of plastic tray and then place your glasses without any worry. It's very difficult to create space in small kitchen, so we need to be very thoughtful whenever we want to buy something for our kitchen. Like for instance, these glasses are not stackable and they occupy the whole trolley. Instead, these glasses which are stackable will take very less space in any cabinet or any trolley. Similarly, when it comes to containers and jars, it's always better to have stackable ones which will help you to save lot of your kitchen space. Lastly, I would suggest do not buy anything blindly. Just because some products are very popular and everyone is buying, do not buy them. You may end up regretting and it will be a total waste of money. Few products I have already shown in my previous videos which are totally not worth buying and I regret every day when I use them. So always check the reviews and then only buy these products so that you will not waste your hard-earned money on these worthless products. All these important points, if you keep in mind whenever you shop for your kitchen, you will never regret after buying anything. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then do subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my videos.